Hey everyone, gather, please gather around. Let us take a moment to see this particular video. I want you to leave whatever it is you're doing and take a look at this video. Probably you might learn one or two, you never can tell. Take a moment to see what the team leader from the 51 individuals involved in the Ekoli Edda crisis under the fisheries department. This is the fisheries department because during their training they had different departments, the fishery, the shoemaking department, different departments. Go through my previous videos where I listed the different departments they were involved, they were splitted into. Now this is the fisheries department, and this person presenting is the team lead. He has this to showcase to the whole world, and from what I'm seeing in this video, this man truly knows what he's doing. He knows his craft. During the amnesty program at Ezula Barracks, the team lead from the fisheries department took Governor Francis Ogbonnawefuru on a tour of their makeshift fish farm. With confidence and skill, he demonstrated a solid understanding of the training they received, proving himself more than deserving of the governor's empowerment. At least, the 2 million naira they have been given will be put to good use. Meanwhile, I've been thinking, when will this kind of empowerment get to us who have been law-abiding so far? When will this kind of empowerment get to us? At least, we've been doing so much for Ebonyi State at large. Our dearest Governor Francis Ogbonnawefuru, I am a tech woman based in Abakaliki. When will this kind of empowerment get to we the tech gurus, we the tech experts based in Abakaliki? Because we also need this kind of empowerment. We've lived all our lives being a law and abiding citizen so far. Please, kindly let this kind of empowerment get to us, because with our digital and media company based in Abakaliki, we've touched hundreds of lives, young lives in Ebonyi State and outside Ebonyi State. So please, we need this kind of empowerment to do more for our people. That's what we are on about at Digital Creators Hub. In partnership with Ebonyi People TV, I've touched lives way more than you can even imagine. And mind you, for all of your digital and media needs, all of your digital and media skill acquisition, kindly reach out to the number now showing on your screen, or you visit our office at number 55 Odemezwe Street, Abakaliki. Okay, back to the video. Kindly see this video and tell me what you think about it. And like I said, you might learn one or two things.
These are our laboratory chemicals. As you can see, this is our directional units. The water here in Ezula is alkaline. We have our chemicals that we use to treat the water. We have to go for ash. These are our stones, which is for ingredients that produce.
These are live?
Yes, it's alive. This is the female fish, and this is the male one. And this species is called Darius. Darius is a light fast liquids, and it contains water, light waters. So the ingredients is and famous is the means we can bring the young ones an excellence. Because the money we have in there is amazing. Thank you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, these works you have seen the life of the baby. Now, our government is of 100 sometimes. So you can use that to go to our great
For one of the ladies, others can wait for you outside.
Your Excellency, you can see the first, this is the last grade. This is the second grade, Your Excellency. This is the third grade. what great and experience. We, the fishery department of the excellency, when going, I pray to God that you take all of the fish. Thank you, sir. Thank you, excellency.